SoBrief AI is an exciting new tool just released, and today we're diving into the 7 crucial things you need to know about it. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know if SoBrief AI is right for you, and why it's catching so much attention in the AI space. First off, SoBrief AI offers a game-changing way to automate and streamline your digital marketing efforts. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur, part of a large team, or someone working on content, it's designed to make your workflow faster, more efficient, and ultimately, more successful. One of the key features of SoBrief AI is its ability to generate high-quality summaries of large documents or articles within seconds. This is perfect for anyone who needs quick insights from lengthy content but doesn't have the time to sift through it all. Whether you're conducting research or just need to stay updated with the latest industry news, SoBrief does the hard work for you. It's like having a personal assistant at your fingertips. Another standout feature is its intuitive interface. Even if you're new to AI or not very tech-savvy, SoBrief's easy-to-navigate design ensures you can hit the ground running. The dashboard is clean and minimalistic, making it effortless to get started and manage your tasks. SoBrief AI also includes a variety of tools for content creators and marketers. From summarizing blog posts and articles to creating content ideas and outlines, it's built with digital marketing in mind. If you're running a blog, managing social media content, or creating email campaigns, SoBrief can assist you in drafting, editing, and brainstorming ideas. This can save you hours of time each week, allowing you to focus on the bigger picture. For those of you concerned about accuracy, SoBrief's algorithms are incredibly sophisticated. It doesn't just give you a quick summary. It gives you relevant, contextually accurate highlights that are key to understanding the material. Plus, the software continues to learn from your feedback, meaning the summaries improve the more you use it. And for all you business owners and marketers out there, SoBrief's integration capabilities are top-notch. It integrates seamlessly with various CRM and content management tools, making it easy to add to your existing workflow. This means no need to switch platforms or overcomplicate things. If you're already using other tools, SoBrief can work alongside them to enhance your process without disruption. SoBrief AI also offers a powerful analytics feature that lets you track the performance of your content and see which pieces resonate most with your audience. It gives you insights into what works and what doesn't, so you can refine your strategy over time. Lastly, and this might be the biggest draw, SoBrief is completely free to try out from the first link below. You can experience its features firsthand without any commitment. I highly recommend testing it out for yourself to see how it can transform the way you work. So, after testing thousands of AI tools, I can confidently say that SoBrief is one of the best just released AI software out there right now. It's a powerful, easy-to-use tool that's perfect for anyone in digital marketing, content creation, or anyone just looking to save time and work smarter. If you're serious about staying ahead in the digital space, I've included a list of my top recommended AI software, including SoBrief, in the description below. Check them out, give them a try for free, and see how they can boost your productivity and efficiency. Thanks for watching.